Welcome to codePannu. Let us see how to insert an integer value in a list. Inserting is to add a new item in between two items in a list. Okay, here in this marks list, let us insert a new item 77 between second and third item. This is the syntax to insert an integer value in the list. Now let us write the list name marks underscore list dot insert open brackets close brackets, and we have to put the index where we want to insert our new item. So we put 2 because we want to insert it in the third place, and put a comma and then put the integer value 77. Now we have to print the list to check whether it is inserted at the right place. So press enter and write print open bracket close bracket, and then put the list name marks underscore list. Okay, save the file and run the code. The new item 77 is inserted between the second item and the third item. Bye.